Welcome to your math channel. Here you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today we're going to solve this expression problem. First, we need to check if there's anything inside parentheses that needs to be solved. And here we have this negation minus 5. Let's go. It becomes -1 minus with minus gives plus 5. There's a multiplication here times -3. The rest we repeat plus -4 times 3 divided by -4. Now, according to the order of operations, we have to solve the multiplication and division from left to right. So it's -1. 5 times -3 equals -15. Minus with plus gives minus. Now the next one here, -4 times 3, minus with plus also gives -12. And let's repeat here, divided by -4. Now there's the division to solve. So let's solve this here. Repeat the rest. -1 minus 15 minus 12 divided by -4. Minus with minus gives plus, so it becomes +3. -1 minus 5 minus 15 equals -16. +3 equals -13. So the correct answer is letter A, -13. Well, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next video. See you then.